Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute turtle outfit on Dress to Impress. So let me just remove all the items. It's not a lot really. I just painted myself green. I might just change the color of my nails as well. Then we are going to head on over to the hot dog costume. Add this pattern on. Then we're just going to add this for the eyes, color it black. Oops, do not add the bunny ears. Add this for the blush. And then we are going to use the first set. Color it the same green. I forgot the hat. And that is pretty much it. You can just then do the belly flop pose. And here's your cute turtle. So cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.